Hello children, good morning. You all must be bored in your house in this pandemic situation. So today, why not make something tasty as well as healthy so that you do not miss your outside food? Are you all excited to know what we will make today? Yes, today we will make sandwich. In this time, we should all eat healthy food and take proper care of our health. So, without any delay, let's start. Children, first you wash your hand. Kids, we will make sandwich with the three vegetables: tomato, cucumber, carrot. What is the spelling of tomato? Tomato. Tomato. Cucumber. 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 Carrot. 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 Kids, have you seen the shape of cucumber and carrot? They are cylindrical shape. They are cylindrical shape. Tomato is round shape. And what is the color of tomato? Red. 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 Color of cucumber is green. 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 And the color of carrot is orange. 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 So children, now we will start to make sandwich. Let's begin. To make a sandwich, we need 2 slices of bread. I have cut the sides of the bread. Butter, black pepper, salt, cucumber, carrot, tomato, tomato ketchup, mayonnaise. Spread butter on the slices of bread, only one side of the bread. Then you spread tomato ketchup. After that, you put mayonnaise on each bread slices. Put slice of cucumber, carrot, tomato, add some black pepper, salt according to your taste, place the other piece of bread on top of the filling. Little bit press it and decorate with the tomato ketchup and cucumber and carrot. See children, your healthy sandwich is ready. It is ready to eat. Children, do you know the benefit of these vegetables? Cucumber helps in keeping our body hydrates as it contains 96% water. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidant and good for our heart. Carrots improves our eye health. So children, so much benefits are there. So everyone try at home to make sandwich and serve your family. Bye bye. Thank you.